those are the good ones. And what omega is where is that, in that long carbon chain, where's that first double bond? And why are the double bonds important? Because they make the fats a little softer and more fluid.
What's a double bond?
A double bond it's in organic chemistry. It's other things can hook in there, like a phosphate or a sulfate. So they're more interchangeable, whereas a single bond, you can't do anything with it. It's sort of set in stone. And then, so what omega means is where that first double bond comes into that long chain. And is this making sense so far? So omega-3 means the first double bond is at the carbon number 3. Omega-6 means the first double bond is at the carbon number 6. So we used to think the omega-6 were the way to go: corn oil, sunflower, and sesame. And our diet became very high in these omega-6 and in the saturated fats. They have no double bonds. But now we're finding it's the omega-3 that are very beneficial to all those cell membranes, and that's flax, hemp, nuts. Alpha-lipoic acid, a very good antioxidant. Fatty fish, the small fish, mackerel, sardines. I just want to say a word about why are trans fats bad. In nature, this little diagram, the two hydrogens, they are on the same side. And then the trans fat are man-made because they came in, and all that means is that they put extra hydrogens in, and they switched it so that it's more this L-shaped. And our body doesn't recognize this. It's not in our millions of years of genetics. So they're man-made, and that's why we have an inflammatory reaction to them, because they are not natural in nature. So your omega-3s, those are your essential fatty acids. They're anti-inflammatory. They're important for your general health. If you're healthy, you want about 1,000 milligrams of the EPA and the DHA, and those are long names. On the next page, icosapentaoic acid and docahexanoic acid, and they're just shortened for EPA and DHA. And you can look on the bottle and you can see they'll have it written just like this: EPA plus DHA in a 3-to-1 ratio. If you are trying to correct, if your joints are sore, if you're having problems, concentration, so deficiencies in these essential fatty acids result in altered cell membrane. The cell loses its ability to hold water, to absorb vital nutrients, electrolytes, all that important stuff our body needs to function. Saturated fats, that's what we get in meats. Saturated fats, remember, no double bonds, stiff, unchanging, and so the important thing is to remember that the saturated fats too much are pro-inflammatory. Our diet, the standard American diet, which is now abbreviated as SAD, it leads to that undesirable lipid profile that we talk so much about and prescribe Lipitor for. Next, the carbohydrates. As far as healthy carbohydrates, fruits and vegetables are the best you can do, and you even want to try and choose your the ones with the lowest glycemic index. And the take-home message here, there is the anti-aging the anti-inflammatory diet. The future is all about managing your blood sugar. You don't want your blood sugar peaking with peaks and valleys. You want to keep your blood sugar as stable as you can throughout the day and the night.